Today's Bible verse comes from James chapter 5 verse 13, King James Version. Is any among you afflicted? Let him pray. Is any merry? Let him sing psalms. James 5:13 instructs believers to turn to God in all circumstances, praying during hardships and singing praises when cheerful. It encourages a lifestyle of constant dependence on God rather than complaint or selfish celebration by aligning emotional highs and lows with worship, ultimately fostering spiritual endurance and joy. Key takeaways: number 1. When suffering, turn to prayer instead of complaining or despairing. Number 2. When cheerful, express joy through praise and singing to God. Number 3. The focus. The verse emphasizes constant, faithful communication with God regardless of life's circumstances. In essence, this verse sets the stage for the following passages about the power of prayer in community, emphasizing that prayer is the proper response to both brokenness and joy. Amen.